Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of ultimate beach comfort with the Realead Beach Chair for Adults. If you're in the market for top-tier relaxation, this is the chair for you. Let's start with the basics. The Realead Beach Chair isn't just any beach chair. It's the best Realead available. Crafted with precision and designed for maximum comfort, this chair stands out from the rest. First off, adjustability. This chair is all about customization. With 4 reclining positions, including a flat lay option, you can find the perfect angle for soaking up the sun or catching some shut-eye. What sets this chair apart is its extendable high backrest, reaching up to 34.5 inches. No more sacrificing comfort for support. This chair has it all. Plus, with a pillow that's fully adjustable, you can say goodbye to neck strain and hello to ultimate relaxation. But wait, there's more. Durability is key when it comes to outdoor furniture, and the Realead Beach Chair doesn't disappoint. Constructed with a foldable hard alloy steel frame and durable Oxford fabric, this chair can support up to 330 pounds. It's built to last through countless beach days, camping trips, and outdoor adventures. Convenience is king, and this chair has it in spades. Equipped with 2 accessory bags and a cup holder, you'll have plenty of space to store your essentials. Plus, the cooler pouch keeps your beverages chilled for hours of refreshing enjoyment. In conclusion, the Realead Beach Chair for Adults is the epitome of comfort, durability, and convenience. Whether you're lounging by the ocean, camping under the stars, or simply enjoying your backyard, this chair has everything you need for the perfect outdoor experience. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the best products out there. Until next time, happy lounging!